Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to be getting rid of some of my clothes. I have some articles that I've literally kept around since high school. For me, it's so hard to get rid of clothes because they're either attached to a memory, emotion, or it's something that I can envision myself wearing but I never actually wear it. And I think it's a good time to just get rid of a lot of clothing in my closet because it's getting really packed. As you can see, these are all my clothes and it's a mound of just. Now I will say, I do tend to shop fast fashion, at least in the past, and the good thing about that, I know it's bad because it's mass produced and it's a lot of waste, but if you can find a way to mitigate some of those things, such as keeping things around longer and not just throwing them away or not just wearing them once, it's not as bad as it could be. So a lot of the items I have that are fast fashion, I've had for at least a year or two. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. I'm going to try on everything I own and decide whether I want to keep it, sell it, or donate it. I think having a bunch of clothes in your closet can kind of stress you out. I don't know about you, but when I get ready, I try on multiple items and then I'm always in a rush to get out that it's just everywhere in my room, on the ground, on my bed. Another thing, I am notorious for dressing bummy. I just graduated college and going to class, walking class to and from, I didn't really care what I looked like because there were so many other things to care about. And so I really want to break out of that because sometimes just wearing bummy clothes makes you feel bummy even when you're not, and it doesn't really make you that confident. It makes you that one person in the back of the college lecture room, just trying to hide, just trying to like take notes really quick, but you don't really get what's going on in class because it's chemistry and you hate chemistry. I'm not that girl anymore. I want to blossom. This is gonna be a long video, so please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting videos every Thursday, so look out for those, and here we go. Oh my goodness. This long sleeve crop, super cute, love it, keep. This color is just too out there for me, and this is just too simple. I like the ruffle detailing, so I'll keep this cute blouse. And this I've worn a couple times and I just think it would look good on someone else. So pass. And same with this, the material wasn't really vibing with me. This was for pregnant women. I got it from Target, so I need to get rid of it. And I love how this fits, so keep. This is from Forever 21, super cute, but I just have to pass. And what was I thinking with this top, honestly? It was a gift. Okay, pass. It's cute. I like the detailing. White top, pass. Red top, worn it, been there, done that. I just don't wear purple. I don't know why I have this. But the super cute, simple black crisscross top, keep. I love this graphic tee and I love how I cut it. Like, it's perfect length. Keep. Pass. Just too basic. Calvin Klein blouse, keep. Adorable. This blouse, I've worn it too many times before. This was cute in theory. Never wore it in real life. And this, I'm just passing, just a plain t-shirt. But this, oh my gosh, cute. The cuts, too basic. This is just too booby for me, so I'm gonna pass. But it would look cute on someone else. This I do like, actually. So nope, I don't, I'm passing. This top, passing, because it's just not me anymore. This I'm gonna keep. I really like how it fits. And pass, just passing all these tops. I don't need them. But this was super cute. I'm gonna keep it for sure. And this, I don't know. I've never worn it, so no. Again, super cute. Love the fit. This I just don't wear. And this is cute, but I think it would look cuter on someone else. And I like this graphic tee, so I'm gonna keep. This is a pass, hard pass. Yellow can be styled with a lot of cute things. Blazer, good fit, good quality. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. This is super cute. I've just never worn it. I need to hand it off. This, I just don't really like the material that much. But this one I do. And I want to keep this one for my like fall sweaters. This is just a basic hoodie that I do not need. But this is good for really, really cold weather. So I'm gonna keep it. And same with this. If I'm going to New York or just somewhere cold, I can have this and I just find random paper towels. I don't know. Sweater, very cute, coupled with some jeans. This is cute, but I would rather pass it off to someone else. And this vest can be very versatile when it's cold, so I'm gonna keep it. Cute. Don't really need it, don't really wear it. Pass. I could find a better flannel somewhere else. Pass. This is just cute to have as a hoodie, and this is way too oversized, so pass. This is also a cute hoodie. Hard for me to give up things, but it's also a Mac Miller hoodie, so keep. This one's just pass. And this is a pass too. I just don't like how the zipper kind of folded or wrinkled. This is really cute, but I'm gonna pass because I just have too many hoodies, as you can see. And this Nike jacket I think is super cute for like night walks or just like going out. Pass. And this I'm also gonna pass. It was cute, I wore it, and I've gotten my uses out of it. And same with this. This is such a beach hippie thing I do not need. So here we go. This, I lost the top to it, so I'm going to pass. But it's cute. These, cute. Good quality, keeping. These, I want better quality leggings, pass. These jeans are cute for now. I would love to find better quality, but hey, they're cute and they fit well. Those are also cute and they fit well, but these do not fit well, and I just need to pass them on, just as these shorts. Around the waist is just too big. These fit good, but I don't think I like the wash, so down the line I will definitely pass. But this one, come on, the booty, impeccable, impeccable. Keep. And these as well, brilliant work. These are from Shein, just like bummy, so I'm trying to get away from. These I'm gonna keep for now because it's really cute. And this just not good quality. I've had it for a long time. It's time to just let go. As well as with these have a literal hole in the thigh. I cannot, no. But these are cute. I really love the fit on these jeans, so I'm gonna keep. And this skirt, I just have to say goodbye. It fits really nice, but I never ever wear it, so yeah. This dress, no, sorry, I wore it, I'm good. This one also is a Halloween costume. I don't really need it anymore. This outfit is super cute, but I wore it, got my use out of it. Love to pass it on. This skirt, wrinkly, pass. This dress, graduation, pass. Cute, but I'm not gonna wear it. This outfit, super cute, keeping. Bandeau and the pants. This dress, I don't even have the tie to it, pass. This, super cute, but I just never wear it anymore. I'd love to give it to someone else. But this, I love, I'm keeping. It looks great, that booty. Anyway, these, the color just does not match with my color. I'm sorry. Pass. This, really cute for someone else. I just never wear it, so pass. But this, I love how it fits. I love the cutout. Keep. And this is just super cute for the summer. The sunflowers, come on. Beautiful. Picnic. Keep. And this dress is really cute. I'm just gonna keep it. And this, I'm going to keep. Look at that fit. Okay, quality. No, not for me, no. I can pass this on. I've gotten a lot of uses out of it. And this would be super cute, just not on me. This I'm gonna keep. Once I lose weight and it zips, it's gonna be cute. And this, so elegant. I can keep this for whenever I need it, just to have in my closet. But this, same kind of concept I can let go of. And this, super cute, especially for when it gets warm, keep. Cold, I mean. And this I'm gonna keep because look, it's just cute. All right, guys, you literally just saw almost everything in my closet. This is now a time lapse. I find them very satisfying and relaxing of me folding all of the clothes. and I hope you enjoyed this video that I filmed for you, and keep a lookout because I will be selling some of the clothes that I showed in my video. Hey guys, so I'm finally done. I had in total, let me do the math, 136 articles of clothing. I'm keeping 68 and I'm donating 68. So I think this is a really good job. This is what I'm donating. This is what I'm keeping. But I hope you guys like this video. All right, thanks for watching.